Next, we will discuss a systematic sampling method. Systematic random sampling is a method for selecting a random sample by listing the entire population and picking every kth object starting randomly with the object numbered between 1 and k. We select k to be as close as possible to the population size divided by the sample size. Here's an example for picking every third person from a population of size 12, starting with number 3. Here's an example for picking every third person from a population of size 12, starting with number 2. Here's an example for picking every second person from a population of size 10, starting with number 2. The procedure can be outlined in the following steps. Step 1. Divide the population size by the sample size and round the result down to the nearest whole number k. Step 2. Use a random number table or a similar device to obtain a number m between 1 and k. Step 3. Select for the sample those members of the population that are numbered m, m plus k, m plus 2k, etc. When is the systematic sampling useful? For example, the owner of a small convenience store in a rural area wants to survey the opinion of their customers, and they expect 20 customers in the next hour. They think that a sample of size 5 will be sufficient, so they follow the procedure. The population size 20 divided by the sample size 5 is 4, so k is equal to 4. A random number between 1 and 4 picked by a computer was 3, so m is equal to 3. As a result, they will survey the 3rd, 7th, 11th, 15th, and 19th customers in the next hour. There are advantages and disadvantages for every procedure. The main advantage of the systematic random sampling is that the procedure doesn't require access to the entire population. But on the other hand, it does assume the knowledge of the population size. We discussed the systematic random sampling, the procedure itself, the example, and its main advantage and disadvantage.